I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Rolls Royce star lights. First, gather your materials, including a fiber optic kit and a drill. Next, plan your star pattern carefully on the headliner fabric. Then, prepare the headliner by removing it from your vehicle. This project requires patience but offers a truly unique result. We will cover each step in detail, ensuring you can replicate this luxurious effect. Get ready to elevate your car's ambience with a personalized starry sky. To begin, ensure you have a high-quality fiber optic light kit, ideally with 300 to 500 strands for a dense effect. You will also need a small drill with bits ranging from 0.5 mm to 1.5 mm for varying star sizes. Don't forget a strong adhesive, a trim removal tool, and safety glasses. Proper preparation is key to a smooth installation. Lay out all your tools before starting to save time and effort. This step ensures you have everything at hand. Once your headliner is out, begin drilling holes based on your pre-planned star map. Vary the drill bit sizes to create a natural, twinkling effect with different star magnitudes. After drilling, gently insert each fiber optic strand through its designated hole from the front. Secure the fibers on the back of the headliner with a small dab of strong adhesive. Take your time with this step. Precision here makes a big difference in the final appearance. Ensure all fibers are firmly in place. After all fibers are inserted and secured, bundle them neatly and connect them to your light source projector. Ensure the projector is placed in an accessible yet hidden location, like under a seat or in the trunk. Carefully reinstall your headliner, making sure all trim pieces fit perfectly and no wires are visible. Power it up and enjoy your new custom Starlight headliner. It's a truly rewarding project. Also, remember to check the description below for links to the fiber optic kits and other great deals, including some fantastic socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.